Yo guys, in today's video I'm going to be buying a vintage 1980 Honda ACT 70. I cannot wait to get this. I am going to be doing a project on this, restoring it. That will be in a few parts. That will be coming in the next couple of weeks. So I am going to pick it up in the morning. It's all the way in Essex, which is quite a long way away from me. So yeah, stay tuned. So guys, it's the next morning now and we're going to pick up the bike. So let's go. So guys, we have just picked up my new bike. I'll wait till we get home and then I'll show you. So yeah. So guys, here it is. A brand new trike. It's a Honda ATC 70. It has currently got a 90cc engine in it. The original 70cc engine is here with the original pull start and everything. So I'm going to put all that together soon and I'm going to be doing a project on it, so stay tuned for that. I'm going to put the seat on because it's not actually bolted in to there. So I need to use these and put the seat onto the right place. So guys, I am now going to go and clean the bike up. I have ordered a new seat cover. So the seat is going to be blue, the original blue, with the 70 written like there. And I've ordered all the vintage original stickers. I do need to put the original engine in and I need to buy a side casing for it, and then it will all be done and I'll be able to film loads of videos with it. So now let's go and clean this thing. And then go for a little ride. It doesn't have the pull start on at the moment because it's got a different engine on, so I am going to have to bump start it. So yeah, let's do this. you go, guys. I have now got the bike. I am going to be doing so much work onto this bike. I will be filming it all, so I'm going to be doing a lot of project videos. So there'll probably be 4 or 5 parts to that. So that should be coming in the next few weeks. I might get it resprayed because it does need a bit of a touch up on the spray paint. I'm going to get the original seat, all the original vintage stickers to get it looking like it was in 1980. I am going to be comparing my TRX 90 versus this ATC 70, doing top speed reviews on them both. So yeah, stay tuned for that. So guys, these have just delivered, these vintage Honda stickers. So I am going to put these on now. So these ones down there are going to go there. So let's do this. So there we go, there's the Honda sticker that side and the Honda sticker this side. So now I'm just waiting for the seat cover and the stickers that go there and there. So yeah. Guys, these bikes are actually quite small, to be honest. I'm just over 5 foot and the seat comes just over my knees and the handlebars are just below my hips. So you don't really need to touch the floor, but you can very easily unless you're really small. One thing that I have found with this bike is if you're going on a smooth surface, it runs really well. But if you're going on a bumpy surface, like say the stones, or if your grass is quite bumpy like mine, it sort of starts to bog and then cuts out. It doesn't run very well, but as soon as you get it on a smooth surface, it runs really well. I don't know if that's just my bike or the fact that it's got a different engine in, but yeah, that's what seems to happen. So now I am just waiting for the stickers to go here, the new seat cover, and the stickers that will go along the back. And that's pretty much it. On the photo of the trike, when we went to go and get it originally, on the photos there was a grip missing, but we got there and the grip was then on, but I had already ordered a set of grips. So I have these brand new grips. I've only opened them literally to show you guys. So all you have to do to win these motocross grips completely free is like the video, subscribe and comment down below saying that you've done so. I will then be picking a winner on the 1st of May and I will then message the winner. They'll need to send me over their address and I'll send these out completely free. So guys, that is going to be the end of the video now. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe. And if you've got any video ideas you want me to do with this bike, comment them down below. And if I like them, I'll do the video idea and give you a shout out at the start of the video. I am going to be doing a lot of videos with this bike and doing it up and everything. But then once it's done, I am going to be selling it on. And with the money, I'm going to buy a different bike and just keep on doing that so I can make lots of videos with loads of different bikes. So yeah, thanks for watching, see you next time.